The African gray parrot, also known as the gray-headed parrot, originated from Central and Western Africa. The colors of their bodies have a green glossed black appearance. They are very intelligent, social, and affectionate birds that love to be around their owners. They can even dance, tell time, and speak more than 40 words. They are not only beautiful, but they are smart too. The African gray parrot's lifespan is 45 to 70 years, and they average about 25 to 30 inches in length from head to tail. They can also imitate human speech. They are very sociable animals that love to be part of everything that is going on around them, even if it is just watching the TV with you. If you want an intelligent pet that is fun to hang out with, then go